Today we gather here to celebrate not just our differences, but our incredible power when we stand united. As Helen Keller profoundly stated that alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Unity is not merely a word, it's a force that has shaped nations, overcome impossible odds, and brought about the greatest triumphs in history. Good morning to all of you. My name is Avika Gangrade of Class 12A at PM Shri KVVFJ School. Today, I'm here to speak about power of unity in front of all of you. So, here it is. Imagine a world where every voice is heard, where every hand reaches out in support, where every heart beats in harmony with a common purpose. In unity, we find the strength to face adversity, the courage to challenge injustice, and the compassion to uplift the fallen. It is in our unity that we discover our true potential as community as well as humanity. Unity does not mean conformity or uniformity. It means embracing diversity, respecting each other's differences, and finding a common ground despite our varied background. It teaches us empathy, tolerance, and a power of collaboration. As we stand here today, let us pledge to build bridges instead of walls, to sow seeds of understanding instead of seeds of divisions. So let us remember the wisdom of Luther King, who said, understanding is also the power and unity is also the power. When we come towards the teamwork and collaboration, we can achieve our wonderful goals. Let us draw inspiration from different voices throughout history, from Mahatma Gandhi's teachings on non-violence and unity to the teachings of our great leader Nelson Mandela, who also tell impact on the unity and also the reconciliation. So each of these leaders has shown us that unity is not merely a concept but a practical approach for positive change. In conclusion, let us heed with the words of Mother Teresa, who said, I can do things, you cannot. You can do things, I cannot. But together we can do great things. Together, united in resolve and purpose, we can come forge ahead with compassion and courage. For in unity, we find strength, but also the promise for a brighter tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.
Today, my topic is power of unity. Unity is a way of living. It is the way people are connected not only through blood relation but also through brotherhood. Once a unity has been formed between a group of people, they will not break it. They will stand by you. Through them, anything will be happen. There is always diversity in a single group, but the challenge is that not to let individuality get in the way of being united. Even the weak become strong. We live in a country with the most diversity among all the nations in the world. But the individuality and diversity is not the barrier that comes in between the friendship. By being united in a group, we have to understand and learn to respect everyone's view. To remain united, we should not break anyone's trust. The missile man Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, "Unity is a strength. Unity is a power. Unity plays an important role in everyone's life." There are many examples of unity in the life. One of them is India has been under control of British rule for a significant period of time. We are kept under their control because they believed in the policy divide and rule. We are kept reminding our religious differences that exist among them. But gradually, when Indians became united, India get freedom from British rule. We get freedom. We are finally independent now. And and at the last, if we want that our country become very successful and developed country, so we have to understand the value of unity and should be united. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone and respected sir. Today, I am honored to give a speech on power of unity. Power of unity is an extraordinary force that has the ability to change the whole world. Unity means staying together or being together in every thick and thin. Man is a social animal, and it is very important for him to stay united with his fellow beings in order to lead a fulfilling life in a society. Unity is like a roots of tree, invisible yet holding the entire structure upright. In the end, I would like to conclude by saying that unity is much needed in today's world, especially we live in a world with machine man, machine mind, and machine heart. Uh, uh, Thank you. To present a speech on the topic of unity is power, or a power of unity. I am feeling very proud to say that I am an Indian, as Indian is the only one example of unity in diversity. In unity is an element of for the society that we live together and we make our nation. Unity is a strength of power. We should be in a unity. Unity is a power. Unity is a strength. Unity is a honor. Unity is a art. The best example of power of unity is a group of ant, and there is a commonly example all you know about that when someone says to a person that when we break a one stick can break easily, when we collect a stick and try to break it we can never like it is impossible, or like it is difficult to break the sticks. Like there are so many examples like when friends play in a groups, and if they play in together they will share their ideas and encourage each others. Maybe they can be win, but if they will not cooperate with each other, maybe they will be lose. This is the best example of power of unity. In the end, I would like to say that our unity is our strength and our diversity is our power. Thank you.
Sir, and good morning to everyone. Today's my topic, power of unity. The power of unity is a unique quality in itself, and it has many benefits. Unity also provides equal rights to everyone. The unity is the biggest power in the world. Unity is important for any group and team. We should always remember unity is strength. Unity means oneness and togetherness. If we stand together, we can fight with any problem. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today, my topic is power of unity. Unity is a great power. It fills our life with strength and happiness. Unity makes country strong. Unity brings success and growth. A bond is unbreakable when it is united. Even impossible things can be done with the power of unity. Unity makes feel brave and ready to tackle with any hardship in life. Why unity is important? I will tell you a very short.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to tell you about the power of unity. Unity represents strength. Unity, when we are come together, we will become stronger. Unity is a situation in which many individuals come together and decide to help each other. Many times we see in our surroundings that sometimes many individual a single person not able to do some work alone, we need help from others. When we decide to help each other, we can achieve we can achieve anything. You may hear the famous song sung by Mohammed Rafi and Asha Bhosle, साथ ही हाथ बढ़ाना एक अकेला थक जाए जो मिलकर बोझ उठाना. This song wants to tell us the power of unity. The song wants to tell us if we are united, we can achieve anything. We can face, maybe individually we face some difficulties to face the problems, but when we are united, we can face any biggest problem. We can see many examples of unity in our schools, in our colleges, in our home, in our offices. For example, as a student, we are united by helping each other, by sharing our ideas to each other, In our home, as a family, we are united by supporting each other, by loving each other, by respecting each other. If all family members are united, they can face any biggest problem. Today we see many successful companies like Microsoft, Google, Flipkart, Amazon, etc. There are many reasons behind their success, and one of them is the unity. Every employee of the company work as a member of unity and try to make company grow. It is true, when we are united, we become stronger. Think about a football team. Every player of a team has different unique abilities, unique strength, and then they come together. They can win the game. Unity doesn't mean that we all have to be same. We can celebrate our unique cultures, unique identities, but still working together. A very good example